Let's check out this Liverpool FC jersey. This is for 2019-2020 season. So I got the black jersey, which is the goalkeeper jersey, and I also got the red jersey, which is the player's jersey, the home kit. This is actually the home kit. Actually, I prefer the black jersey, and I got both of these in large. So we're gonna see how it fits. In the comments I read, from the reviews I read, some said it fits small, some said it fits large. So we'll see. I'm looking forward to putting this on and seeing how it looks. Fun fact, actually, I've been waiting to get this jersey for a long time. For a very long time. So I'm glad I am finally able to get it. It feels really good. I like the texture. The texture of the fabric is awesome. And well, I also got this in the long sleeves. I think that might be large, but that might be too big, but we'll see when I put it on. I got this in the long sleeves, and this I got in the short sleeves. And I also did not get the Premier League patch on it. It was going to be an extra $10 if I got the Premier League patch, and I was like, nah, ain't nobody spending an extra $10 just because of the patch. And also, I chose not to customize it. You know, like this would be like Allison or something, or I could put my name back here and say Akiolu, but I was like, I'm not about that life. So this is just plain black Liverpool goalkeeper home kit jersey, long sleeves, and now let's get into the red one. So yes, this is the red jersey. I love it. It doesn't look as big as the black one. And to just show you guys what I mean, let's overlay the red on the black. You can see that just a tad bit bigger than the red one. And of course it's also, you know, it's also longer. Yeah, it really fits well. This is the red jersey, the player jersey. It's not too tight around the arms. It's not too tight at all, and it's not also too tight around the waist. You can see it's a little bit free. Give you some breathing room. The texture is great, and makes me feel like a proper football player. So yeah, this is the black goalkeeper jersey. When I was in secondary school, I actually was a goalkeeper for one of our school tournaments. I saved like 1 or 2 penalties, and so this brings back some memories of goalkeeping. You know, of catching the ball. Throw this to me. Alright, anyway, let's talk about the black goalkeeper jersey. Again, it's in the large, long sleeves, great texture, it's breathable, you know, it has this nice mesh back here. It's really nice. You know, really well made jersey. It has that, you know, a little bit of more breathing room than the red one, and I just prefer this one. You know, I just prefer this one. It's long sleeves. It's not too long. It's not too short. It's just, you know, it's just awesome. You know what I'm saying? You know, why are you laughing? You know, the back is good too. How does it look at the back?
Looks okay.
It looks okay. Okay, see? It's just good. It's not showing my belly. It's not showing my... Is it showing my belly?
No, you're doing that.
Anyway, yeah, but I like this. I prefer this to the red one. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. This was my Liverpool red and black home kit 2019-2020 season jersey unboxing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.